Xin chào mọi người. Hello everyone, how do you do? Mình là Esther, đến từ trung tâm Gotoviki. I'm Esther from Gotoviki. In the previous lesson, we studied about 9 long vowels and 12 single consonants. And in the lesson today, we will study about short vowels and double vowels in Vietnamese. You can download the ebook Hay nói hay number 1 pronunciation on our website gotoviki.com and then print it out so that we can study together more effectively. And the ebook is completely free. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Chúng ta cùng bắt đầu nhé. Vietnamese has 2 short vowels, a and e. Now, let's find out the first pair, a and a. A is a long vowel, and a is the short form of a ngắn. Repeat after me. A, 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 a. For example, an. In this word, the sound a has to be pronounced long, like this illustration. An. And with the word ăn, you can see that we have a ngắn. So you can get the feeling that the sound n is longer, like ăn, 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 ăn. Another example, am, 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 am. Okay, the second pair is and e. E is a long vowel, and e is the short form of ngắn. Repeat after me. E, 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 e. For example, we have the word ơn. With this word, the sound has to be pronounced long, like the illustration. Ơn. And with the word ân, you see that we have ngắn. So you will get the feeling that the sound n is longer, like ân. Okay, ân, 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 ân. Another example, cơm, 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 cơm. There are something that I need you to pay attention. Firstly, the short vowels cannot stay at the end of the word because they are too short, so they always have to go with other sounds. For example, we never have bờ, á, cờ, thờ, Secondly, in Vietnamese, we have a very special case, which is I. And you can see that we have a and e, but in fact, a in this case is a ngắn, so we will pronounce it I. Okay, remember? So, through the examples, can you distinguish the short and long vowel pairs in Vietnamese? If not, you can watch the video again and listen carefully to the explanation, or you can download the ebook Hay nói hay number 1 to practice more. In the second part of the lesson today, we will study about double vowels in Vietnamese. Vietnamese has 3 double vowels, and each double vowel has 3 or 4 writing ways. But don't worry much about that, because a double vowel will have a different writing way when it is in different positions in the word. So it is very easy for you to distinguish them. Okay, the first double vowel that we study today is ear with 4 writing ways like on the screen. And both of them is pronounced as ear. Okay, repeat after me. Ear, ear, ear. The second one is the vowel with 2 writing ways. and they all pronounce it Okay, repeat it to me. Finally, we have the double vowel u with two writing ways, and they both pronounce it u. Repeat it to me. U, u, u. Now, let's practice each of them with me. Okay, let's go. This is the first ear is ear, which is made up of two letters, y ngắn and a, and it is pronounced ear. Repeat it to me. Ear, ear, ear. For example, beer, ear, gear, beer, 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 ear, 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 gear, gear, gear. Beer is an alcohol drink, which is beer in English. So, to the example, can you see the position of the vowel ear? Yes, that's right. The answer is the vowel ear can stand alone or stand at the end of the word. So, remember that whenever you see the vowel ear stand alone or stand at the end of the word, you will write it with y ngắn and a, and you pronounce it as ear. Okay, the second ear is ear with y ngắn and e, and we pronounce it ear. Repeat it to me. Ear, ear, ear. For example, tiền, viết, Việt Nam. Tiền, tiền, tiền. Viết, 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 Việt Nam, Việt Nam, Việt Nam. Tiền means the money. And you can see that in this example, the vowel e always stay in the middle. So remember that whenever you see the vowel e stay in the middle of the word, you will write it with y ngắn and e and pronounce it as ear. The third ear is if, which is made up of two letters, y dài and e, and it is also pronounced as ear. Repeat it to me. Ear, ear, ear. For example, yêu, quyển sách, nói chuyện. Yêu, 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 quyển sách, quyển sách, quyển sách. Nói chuyện, nói chuyện, nói chuyện. Quyển sách is the book in English. So, through this example, can you see the position of the vowel ear? Yes, that's right. The vowel ear, in this case, stay at the beginnings or stay in the middle after the letter U. So, remember, whenever you see the vowel ear stay at the beginning of the word or stay in the middle of the word after the letter U, you will write it with y dài and e and pronounce it as ear. Okay, and the last ear is ear, which is made up of two letters, y dài and a. In Vietnamese, we only have the word khuya, which means late at night, and the loan word phạt mơ tuya, which means the zipper. So, as you can see, the position of the vowel ear in this example is always stay at the end and after the letter U. So, as you can see, the position of the vowel ear in this example is always stay at the end and after the letter U. Okay, let's review 4 ways to write the vowel ear in Vietnamese. Repeat after me. Ear, ear, ear. Okay, the second double vowel that we studied today is in the first writing wave with and a. Okay, repeat it to me. For example, sữa, mưa, sữa, 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 mưa, mưa, mưa. Mưa is the rain in English. So, through this example, can you see the position of the vowel Yes, that's right. The vowel can stand alone or stand at the end of the word, the same to the position of the vowel Next one, this is the second way to write the vowel in Vietnamese. Is which is made up of two letters, and and it is also pronounced as Repeat it to me. For example, ướt, đường, tươi, ướt, 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 đường, 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 tươi, tươi, tươi. Đường in English has two meanings, the road and sugar. So in this example, you can see that the vowel stay at the beginnings or stay in the middle of the word. The third double vowel that we study today is U in the first writing way with two letters, U and A. And this is pronounced U. Okay, let's practice with me. U, U, U. For example, ủa, cua, mua, ủa, 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 cua, 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 mua, mua, mua. Mua means to buy or to purchase in English. Okay, so through this example, can you notice the position of the vowel U? Yes, the answer is the vowel U can stand alone or stand at the end of the word, the same to the position of the vowel E and vowel U that we have just learned. Now, this is the second way to write the vowel U, which is made up of two letters, U and O. And this is also pronounced as U. Okay, repeat after me. U, U, U. For example, uống, xuống, luôn. Uống, uống, uống. Xuống, xuống, xuống. Luôn, luôn, luôn. Uống is to drink in English. As you can see from the example about the position of the vowel U, it stays at the beginning or in the middle of the word, the same to the position of the vowel U. Okay, now let's practice with me. I will read a word. You will listen and then write down what did you hear. Alright? Bia, bia, bia. Tiền, tiền, tiền. Mưa, mưa, mưa. Đường, đường, đường. Uống, uống, uống. Tốt lắm, very good. So we have finished the second part of the lesson today. Let's move to the final one. And in this part, we will study two more tones in Vietnamese, which are thanh sắc and thanh hỏi. Okay, firstly, thanh sắc. For example, á, á, a. This one is written as an upward mark above the main vowels, and this is a high tone. The pronunciation goes flat a little and then goes up, like the illustration on the screen. Let's practice through some example. Cá, quá, thích, ghét, khó, ký tên. With the meanings, we have cá means the fish, quá means very, really, thích means to love, to like, to enjoy. Secondly, thanh hỏi, for example, This one is written like a question mark without a dot above the main vowels. This is a high tone and the pronunciation goes up a little and then goes down and goes up a little at the end, like the illustration on the screen. Okay, now let's practice through some example. Phở, ngủ, nghỉ, cảm ơn, quyển sách. With the meanings, we have phở is our very famous traditional noodles. Ngủ means to sleep. Cảm ơn means thank you in English. Now, let's practice together. Listen and write down the following words. Cá, cá, cá. Bố, bố, bố. Thích, thích, thích. Cảm ơn, cảm ơn, cảm ơn. Tốt lắm. Very good. Wow, so we have just finished the second lesson about Vietnamese pronunciation. You can download the ebook Hay nói hay number 1 pronunciation of Gotoviki to practice listening and pronunciation of the sound that we studied today. And you can also visit our website gotoviki.com to practice more with our native teacher. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại trong các bài học lần sau. Goodbye and see you next lesson.